Okay, guys, very good morning, all of you. So, in this class, I am going to discuss with you the very important topic, that is company database. Draw the ER diagram for the company database. Okay, they ask this type of a questions. That is, draw the company ER diagram. ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So, you need to draw a big ER diagram for that company. Okay, you need to assume that how many entities will occur in a company. Company andale em bartari, company contains employees. No, you need to create an employee table or employee entity. So company contains a project. Assume that is a software company, which develops the projects. No, so you need to create the project entities different. And the third one is department. Okay, in every company contains each is separate departments. Okay, you need to create the department entity also. Let us see how to draw the ER diagram for the company. Now, I'm sharing the whiteboard to you people. If it is visible, then you can raise your hands, guys. Whiteboard, I think it's visible. So, a whole class we require. I think its whiteboard is visible to you all. It's visible, no? Yeah, it's visible to everybody. So, actually, this diagram, department actually contains a many or a several locations. Employee also contains a many employees here. As you can see, I am drawing our main question adari, draw the company ER diagram. Draw the company ER diagram. Then entry company andra which contains the employee, so we need to create the employee table also. Okay, plus company contains a department, so we need to create a department table. Then company contains a projects. Projects means what? Company handles or develops the many projects. So we need to create the project table here. Let us see. Yavavu hang draw ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay. First we need to draw. First I will change the color of this one. I will take the black color. Then you can it's easily visible to you. Highlight agutte. Okay. I am drawing an entity. First one is a employee entity. Laksh kottedre na helatidde. This is very important exam point of view. Employee entity. So first, this is whole database. Database adari. Database which contains a 3 tables. In that first one is the employee. So let's see. Employee contains the attribute. Entry employee SSN or his own unique ID. That is his register number. Okay, register number is the SSN ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. SSN is a unique number, no? Unique number to identify each employee uniquely. So SSN is a key attribute. Key attribute ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ primary key. So that is defined by or represented by underline. Key attribute ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿನ್ರಿ. One table ಒಳಗ ಯಾವ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. For example, in a student table, roll number is all records in a roll number column all are unique. Okay, multiple values ನಾವು ಹಾಕಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Then that roll number is a key attribute. Name is not key attribute. Why? Because name column contains many similar names. So like that, in an employee also, in an employee table also, SSN is a unique number for the employee. Okay, that is a key attribute. This is a primary key for the employee. This is attribute. Which kind of attribute? Key attribute. Let's see the employee birth date or a employee B date ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲ name ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Employee name is attribute, no? Employee name. Okay. Then name is subdivided into further attributes. That is first name, first dot name, FN ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. Then middle name or a minute ಅತ್ರ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, middle name and last name. Let's tell me which kind of attribute this one. ಇದು ಯಾವ attribute ರೀ? Name is a which kind of attribute? The name is attribute of the employee. Okay. This name is further divided into sub attributes. Then this attribute is called as a which kind of attribute? Anybody? Head attribute? All are active, no guys? Raise your hands. The name is attribute, no? Then which kind of attribute? I already explained types of attribute. Single versus composite attribute, complex attribute, multi-valued attribute, key attribute, null value. Then name is which kind of attribute? You replied single attribute. Composite. Saujanya Shude, very good. Asha, very good. Composite attribute. Priyanka Hiremet, very good. Composite attribute. Krishna, very good. Anusha, very good. Name is a composite attribute. The name is attribute. Savitri, very good. That is further divided into sub attribute. This is a composite attribute. Okay. Then employee contains address. Address is another attribute. Then address is which kind of attribute? Actually, address is further divided into zip code, state, city. Then address is also which kind of attribute? Very good, very good. Akshata, Asha, very good. Address is also composite attribute. Okay. That is further divided into zip code, city, state, pin code. Okay. Adana line draw madangilla. Diagram illa, just you can understand. Then, the name employee contains the salary. Here, salary. Is another attribute for the employee. Then, Sakrishte. Okay, how to attributes yes, enough. Next, another one entity in a company. Yaw entity can we take a department as another entity? Yes, we will take another entity, department. Department. Okay. Then department contains which kind of attribute? The name of the department. Okay, now here the name of the department. I written here the name of the name is a attribute for the department. I draw the underline for this one. This is also one of the attribute. Which kind of attribute this one? Anybody? Name is a attribute. I underline madam. Which kind of attribute that one? Partial? Single? No. In here, multi-valued? No. Key. Very good, Akshata. Key attribute. Key attribute. Here, as you can see, for the SSN also, I draw the single line, underline for this one. That is called as a key attribute. Very good. Asha, key attribute. Key means what? The name. Andre in real on table iruttri. Okay. Ee table olaga ಇಲ್ಲಿ SSN ಅಂತ ಒಂದು attribute ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ attribute ಇಲ್ಲದ ತನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ values 1 2 3 4 8 9 10 like that. ಈಗ 1 ಅದಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ 1 ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. 2 ಅದಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ multiple values cannot be the same values cannot be entered multiple times in this column. So SSN which require each time the unique number only. Why? Because this is primary key. ಇದನ್ನ primary key ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ unique ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಂತ attribute ಗೆ key attribute ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ. Okay, ಇದು ನೇಮ್ ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್? The name should be unique for each department. ಏನ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಎರಡು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೇನ್ರಿ? BCA ಎರಡು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, BCom ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೇಮ್ always be unique. Okay, so that's why the name is took as or consider this as a key attribute. Getting or not? 33. ನೇಮ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೀ ಅಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾರ, ನೇಮ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಯುನಿಕ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ, ವೈ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ in a company there are several locations are there, for each location or each sorry in a company there are many departments are there, but each and every department should contain the unique name. Okay, then ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಯಾವ ಅಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗೈತ್ರಿ ಇದು ಅಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್, ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್. ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ಅಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅದು? ಆಶಾ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್. Expecting answer from your side. Very good, Krishna. Multi-valued. Akshata, very good. Multi-valued. Only two. Vijay Lakshmi, very good. Multi-valued attribute. Akshata, Asha, very good. Priyanka, very good. Sushma, very good. The location is multi-valued attribute. Savitri, very good. Amrita, very good. The location is a multi-valued attribute for the department. Why? Because the department contains many locations. As you can see here, Reliance Trend. Reliance Trend, it's there in a Patil Planet also, and in a ikadella Lingud Kudi ತರ ಏನದರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಹಳ ತರ ಅದರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಹೆಸರೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತದಲ್ರಿ. ದ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನೇಮ್ column, okay, plus a location ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿನ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಲೊಕೇಶನ್, ಇದು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ನಾ ಗಡ್ಬಡ ಹೇಳಾತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನೇಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಯುನಿಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ನೇಮ್ ಏನದ? ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ದಟ್ BCA ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯುನಿಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಾದ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಮ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ BBA department hatra tankori. This name column should contain the unique values BCA, BCom, BBA. Innonsati BCA enter madak barangilla, innonsati BCom enter madak barangilla. Each value should be unique in this column. So that's why this attribute is called as a key attribute. But location, BCA department ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತ್ರಿ? ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದರಿಂದ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅದರಿ. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ? RCU ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅದ ತನ್ಕೋರಿ. RCU ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅದರಿ. ಇದು BCA ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಬಿಜಾಪುರ ಒಳಗೂ ಐತಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಒಳಗೂ ಐತಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಐತಿ BCA ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ. ಬಿಕಾಮ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಲೊಕೇಶನ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಎಂಟರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಜಾಪುರ್, ಇನ್ ಬೆಳಗಾಂ, ಇನ್ ಹುಬ್ಳಿ, ಇನ್ ಧಾರವಾಡ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಅ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as a location is a multi-valued attribute here. Try to understand what is the mat diagram ಏನ್ರಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಾತಿನ. ಓಕೆ, ER diagram as well as a location, ಸಾರಿ ಏನದು ER diagram as well as a table ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಾತಿನ್ರಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು. BCA is unique, BCom is unique, BBA is unique. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ BBA ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ that is not allowed here. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. So this attribute, that is name attribute, is called as a key attribute. So that's why I draw the underline for the name. Then a location. The location adri, that is surrounded by another one ellipse. Okay, double ellipse adari. This is called as a multi-value. Why? Because as you can see, location is a column now which contains a multiple values here. That's why this attribute is called as a multi-valued attribute. I hope you understood this one. Three. This one is a multi-valued attribute. Ma'am, but location and address are same, right? Yeah, location means location which does not contain each and every pin adenu irangilla ri. Just location andre yav location ri Bijapura hing city name ri just multiple values ನೀವು ಹಾಕ್ತಿರಬಹುದು ರಿ. ಇದು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗದ. ಓಕೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಬಿಜಾಪುರ ಒಳಗೈತಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಬಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ RCU ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾರಿ RCU ಅಂಡರ್ ಇರೋ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ದರ್ಬಾರ್ as well as ಚೇತನ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅವರ್ ವೇದಾಂತ್ ಓಕೆ ಮೂರು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ನಾವು ಚೇತನಾನು ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನ್ರಿ ವೇದಾಂತ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ದರ್ಬಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ಅ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ the number of the department should also be unique, so that's why this is a primary key. Okay, one table can contains a more than one primary key, but it should contains at least one primary key. It's not number name, this is number number yeah, no means what number. So and I draw the underline for the number. So each department should have a unique name also, and which contains a unique number for the each department. So that's why I enter the so I draw the underline for this department. Then another one table, in one table other company valaga, that is project. Let's see project table, a company database which contains three entities. First one is the employee, second one is the department, and the third one is a project. Why? Because in a company, software company, they develop the different kinds of projects. No projects, we need to create a project table also, or a project entity. Let's see what are the attributes for the project. Any attribute irbodu project igi, the name of the project should be unique or different. Tell me, project name same irtavenri in different ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಸೇನೆ ಕಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರೇನ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಅಂತದೇ ಅದೇ ನೇಮ್ ಏನ್ರಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ different. Yes, different means what? Unique. So the unique is represented by unique irbeku andre the name for the project should be unique. So each column contains a unique name for the project. So that is represented by underline symbol. So that is, this one is a key attribute. Key attribute alla idu. Very good, Akshata. Name is a key attribute for the project. Why? Because how many projects you created? Il project table create ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು. Project table draw ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Project table ada. This is project table which contains a many columns here. Saying that project name irutri P name. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದು A ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು B ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ B ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೇನ್ರಿ ನೋ why because P is already created. No, why you created the same, why you developing the same project. So instead of B you need to create a different project. So that's why this project name column which contains a different values or a unique values at each time, then we can consider this attribute as a unique attribute or the key attribute, primary key. Okay, I hope you understood this one. So name for the project should be unique, so that's why that is considered as a primary key. Next, project number irbeku. So each project contains the unique number, so that's why this is also key attribute. Then project location. Project location. One project is developing in a different location, or one project is developing in a single location. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಾತಾರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ ಜನ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಜನ ಕೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಜನ ಕೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಮೂರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕುಂತು ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ 3 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕುಂತು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ 3 software company ada one place. Very good. Krishna one place. Akshata very good one place. Okay, very good. One day place ಒಳಗೆ ಕುಂತು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ this location project ಒಂದು place ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Yes, of course. Asha project ಒಂದೇ place ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. One place. Okay, very good, Vijayalakshmi. So that's why this location is not considered as a multi-valued. If suppose you draw this as a multi-valued, it means for one project different location ಒಳಗೆ develop ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಾರ ಅಂದಂಗ್ರಿ. So one project obviously developed in only one location. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So that's why. Then tell me which kind of attribute this one. Location is a atomic or a single value or a simple attribute. You can say this one. Then let's see what are the different relation will occur between these attributes as well as these entities. Let's see department and employee ನಡು ಯಾವ್ದೊಂದು ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆಕರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರಬಹುದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆಕರ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್. ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ್ರಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗ? tell me the relationship between the employee as well as department. Very good all of you. Asha very good. Akshata very good. Saujanya very good. Job means what? Work only. Okay, very good Saujanya and Shivdev. Employee works in department. Very good Krishna. Employee works on or works for department. Very good all of you. Here a relationship is occurred between the department and the employee. Which kind of a relationship? That is work for. Okay. Next, idu ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನಾನು. What is the meaning of this one? What is meaning of this double line? ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್, ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್. ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನ್ರಿ ಇದು? ಡಬಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರ ಡಬಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರ total participate. Very good. Saujanya, Shivdev, Akshata, Asha, Krishna, Anusha, Asha. Very good. Akshata, total participate. Okay, the meaning of this double line is total participate. Sushma, very good. Okay, here you know the meaning. A company contains many employees. Company contains many employees, but all employees are not work for the department. All employees are not work for particular department. Other department ಗೆ work ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ. Some n means what? Many. ಇದು ಇನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, here many employees. N means what? Many annangri. One means what? One. Okay. Many employees works for a department. Yes, of course. Many employees works for a department. Many employees works for a department, but all department but ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗ ಒಂದೇ ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ. ಓಕೆ, ವೇಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಹೇಳಿರ ಅಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ದ್ರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಅಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಅಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇ. ನನಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ಅಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್? ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್. ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಕೋರ್ EMP. EMP stands for employees. Then tell me which kind of attribute this one? ಇದು ಯಾವ attribute ರೀ? Very good good, Krishna. Very good, Asha. Akshata, very good. Vijay Lakshmi, it's not a multi-valued. Multi-valued already explained here. Location and title not redo. Priyanka, very good. That is derived attribute. Derived attribute. Okay, derived attribute is represented by this dotted ellipsis. Hengri Andra, number of employees are derived from which attribute? Number of employees. Number of employees is a attribute. Which is derived from which attribute? For example, age, which is derived from the date of birth ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Date of birth ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು age calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Number of employees ಎದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Number of employees are calculated based on the SSN or a name. Name is unique ಯಾವುದು ಬರಿ SSN ಅದ ಇದು. Okay. So number of employees we can calculate a number of employees. SSN ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ? Assume that SSNs are 100 SSN ಅದಾವ. Derived from department. No. It's not derived from department. Number of employees, which is derived from the attribute. One attribute is derived from the another attribute. That is called as a derived attribute. Okay, number of employees. Hang calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ department ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು employees ಇದಾರ ಅಂತ. So first we need to go to the employee table. So we are calculating the number of employees, no? So number of employees information ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ರಿ? Employee table ಒಳಗೆ. ಹೆಂಗ್ calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಹೆಂಗ್ calculate ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಅದಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ. 1 to ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಅದ್ರ 96 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ. 96 ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. So like that, number of employee is derived from the SSN. Okay, so SSN is unique identification for the each and every employee. So idri mele number of employees ishta adara anta calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So number of employees attribute is derived from the SSN of the employee. Okay, actually I forgot that one. Next, time ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದರಿ? 4 minutes remaining. Wait once again.